Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add your Razorpay customers in SendGrid database automatically. Basically, we are adding Razorpay customer details to our SendGrid and we are creating a new contact. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you have a store where people are paying you through Razorpay account, buying commodities and paying you through Razorpay account. Now, what will happen? Their details will be saved in your SendGrid account, and those details can be accessed later and can be used to contact them for further new promotional offers or to send them emails regarding something or to contact them for new leads. Okay. So, what is the process that we are going to follow here? First, we are going to make a payment in our Razorpay account. After that, the details from that payment will be sent automatically to the SendGrid account and a new contact will be created using those details. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pably Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay and SendGrid together. Now, if you want to know how to use this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So we are now at our screen, and now what we have to do is we just have to go to pably.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that, you can see we are here at this page. Now, here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, signing up is absolutely free and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. Okay. Now, I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. Now, what I will do is I will go for Pably Connect Access Now. Here, I want to make a new automation, and to make a new automation, I have to create a new workflow. So I will just click on create workflow. And what we are doing here, we are integrating our Razorpay to SendGrid. Okay, so we are integrating our Razorpay to SendGrid. So I am going to name this as this one. And as soon as I will click on create, you can see here I have two windows, trigger and action. Now, trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where the final event is happening at the end of the process. Okay. So trigger is when this happens, action is do this. So what is happening here? A payment is being captured into the Razorpay account. So what we are going to do is we will just go and click on Razorpay. Then from here, we are going to select payment captured because we are capturing a payment here. Okay. So you can see we have a new webhook URL here. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay and our Pably Connect account. So how are we going to do that? First, we will copy this and then we will follow these steps here. We will log into our Razorpay account, then we will go to webhooks, then we will copy the webhook URL by adding a new webhook. So I already have my Razorpay account logged in here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to settings. Here you can see webhooks. Here I will go for add new webhook. So I'll just paste this webhook here. And from action events, I will choose payment captured. Okay, you can see here it is written. Now select the payment captured from the active event section. So I did that and now I am creating webhook. So create webhook. Now you can see a new webhook has been added here and our Razorpay account and our Pably Connect account is successfully connected now. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. Now what is the webhook response here? Whenever a new customer will make a payment in our Razorpay account, his or her details will come here as a response and the response will be shown here in the dashboard. Okay. Now we will go back here. I have some payment pages which I use when there is a tutorial. So what we are going to do is we are going to just, oh, I'm really sorry for that. We are just going to copy this and open a new page. Now you can see this is the payment page which I am using. I have first name, last name, email and phone number. So when I will fill these details here, those details will automatically be captured through the webhook response and will be sent to the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now let's see how it's done. First name is Arpit. Last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. Phone number is, I am using a dummy phone number. You can see this. And now I am gonna pay. Card number. I am just using a dummy card here. So let me go for Arpit Kumar Sharma is the full name. And this is the CVV. And as soon as I will click on success, you can see the payment will be made here as successful. And here in our Pabbly Connect account, a response will receive. You can see this is the response. And I have all the details here. Arpit Kumar Sharma, the card name, Arpit Sharma, first name and last name, phone number, arpitsharma@gmail.com. Okay. So this is how you can connect your Razorpay account to your Pabbly Connect account. Now our first step is completed here. We successfully connected our Razorpay account here. Now what we will do is, in our action step, we are going to connect our SendGrid. So we will click on SendGrid. And now here what are we doing? We are adding a new contact or updating a new contact. So add or update a contact and then click on connect. Now as soon as you will click on connect, it will ask you to select an existing connection or add new connection. So for you all, I am going to add a new connection. So here it is asking me for the token, which is the API key. Now how will you get the API key? So you can see the instructions here. To get the API key, go to settings, API keys, create API key, choose full access, click on create. Now what we are going to do? We will go here. From here, we will find settings, which is this. Then here you can see API keys. So click on API keys. Now here it is written create API key. So click on create API key. Now you have to give full access as it was written here already. Choose full access and click on create. So choose full access. You have to give a new API key name. So Razorpay to SendGrid. This is my API key name which I am giving it. SendGrid. Full access, create and view. So this is the API key which we have just created. We will just copy this. You can see it has been copied and we will paste it here. Now as soon as we will click on save, you can see that the SendGrid account is now successfully connected to the Pabbly Connect account. Now here it is asking you for the list. Now what is this list? So we will go here in SendGrid. List is the, contact information list which you have available in your SendGrid account in your contacts. So we will go here into marketing and then we will select contacts. And here what you can do is either you can create a new list or you can just add the contacts into your list. I already have one list here by the name of Razorpay. So I am just going to open this and show it to you. So this is the contact here which I have right now. So I will just go back and select this list because I am adding contacts to Razorpay. Okay. So I'll just go here and I will choose Razorpay. I do not have any address line, but if you would have mentioned it into your payment page, then you will get these fields here. Okay. But I do not have any address line 1, 2, city, anything. So what I am going to do is I am going to use a technique here which is called mapping, which will let me take the data from this window and it will let me put the data into this window without manually copying or pasting anything or without manually typing anything. Okay. So what I am going to do is I will just map in the details which I have here. Email. So email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. First name. Here is the first name. Arpit. Last name. This is the last name Sharma. So here is the last name Sharma. And as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see a new contact will be saved into our SendGrid account. So you can see here, it is written job ID 67 and many characters. I'm not gonna read that long. I will just go back to my SendGrid account. SendGrid account. And as soon as I will click on Razorpay and I will refresh it, so as you can see, I have a new contact here, arpitsharma@gmail.com. And I have all the information of this contact here. As I will open this, you can see first name, last name, email, etc., etc., etc. But I did not use all these fields in my payment page, so I do not have this here. Okay. Now let us try this once more. Let me go back here. Enter. This time I'm gonna use Swati Sharma, email swatisharma@gmail.com, and again I'm going to use a dummy phone number here, and I'm gonna pay. Let's see what happens. Expiry and Swati Sharma CVV is 678. So I am making a dummy payment here right now, and as soon as I will click on success, the webhook response will go to the Pabbly Connect account. From there, it will automatically go to the SendGrid account, and from there, an automatic contact will be made here in this list, Razorpay. Now let's refresh this and let's see if our data is here or not. Sometimes it can take some time, like few seconds or 1-2 minutes also. So you do not have to worry about that. Let me refresh it again. And as you can see, I have a new contact here, swatisharma@gmail.com. And this is the information which we just used here, swatisharma@gmail.com. So friends, this is how you can connect your SendGrid with your Razorpay account, and whenever a new payment is captured in the Razorpay account, a new contact will automatically be added or updated into your SendGrid account. And this is a very, very, very useful automation. Now, if you want to use this automation, you can just go into my description box and copy the workflow, or I should say clone the workflow that I have given you, but you can just clone it into your own account, and for that you need to make an account. So you have to go and sign up for this, and we are also giving you 100 free workflows from our side every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.